Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last video I did a fall nail art look with Rose Brandy, one of the shades from the Mini Macaron Soho Collection, and today I'll be showing you how to freshen up any mani by adding a little bit of shimmer with the other two gel polishes from the collection. I swatched all three gel polishes from the Soho Collection, so check out that video if you missed it. And you can also get 10% off at leminimacaron.com with my code caramellogram10. Here I'm starting off with 3 coats of smoky matcha curing in my LED lamp from the Licorice Gel Manicure kit, but this is also a perfect design if you want to freshen up an old gel mani. When I wear Mini Macaron gels, I can wear them for 10 to 14 days without any chips on the tips, just a little growth by my cuticle, and this would be a perfect way to hide that and prolong the wear time of your mani. Then I'll go in with a detail brush and Golden Glow, which is a gorgeous shimmery gold shade to paint a thin crescent lining the cuticle area, and this is the part that's going to hide the nail growth from an old mani. I'll cure it for 30 seconds in an LED lamp and that's it. You could add a coat of the Gel Shine top coat if you want, but these gels are formulated with a base coat and top coat already, so you definitely don't have to. So here's the finished design, and that's all for today's nail art video. If you liked this video, check out my Mini Macaron playlist for more swatches and nail art using their gel polishes. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!